Hello Internet, my name is Ryan Ingram, and today we're going to talk about a home that I purchased for $26,000. Now this one is gorgeous on the inside and the outside is pretty typical, but nonetheless it was $26,000 and it is currently rented out for $600. Now we've owned this property for a few months now and it has been performing phenomenally for us. So the purchase price is $26,000. Now since we were able to get such a low purchase price on this property, we added on a few thousand, so we financed a total of $30,000 on this property, and we did so at 12%. This is a interest only. It's got a balloon after 3 years, and at that point we will refinance the property, pay off the lender, and also lower our monthly expenses. However, the monthly payment comes out to $300. Now, as I mentioned, the income on this particular property is $600 per month. It is a long-term tenant. She really keeps a phenomenal house, and again, like I mentioned earlier, the interior is gorgeous. So as we just discussed, the interest payment on this property is $300 per month. The taxes on this property is just shy of $1,000 per year, or $80 per month. The insurance on this property is pretty cheap. It is $30 per month. And of course, the property management fee. Now my brother and I do manage our own properties now. Nonetheless, we still charge ourselves the fee, and we charge ourselves 10%. So 10%, $600, $60 per month. Which brings us to a total of $470 per month in expenses. And of course, with the income minus the expenses, we're left with $130 per month. Now, this property was brought to us by a good friend of ours. She's a realtor. She knows which areas that we are interested in, and she knows our business model pretty well, actually. So she does a great job at just being on the lookout for properties for us, and she makes sure to send them our way if it looks like something that we'd be interested in. So thank you for that, and let's go ahead and look at some pictures of this property. I'm really pleased with this property. It's been a phenomenal one for us, and we are really happy to have it in our portfolio. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please don't hesitate to leave those below, and I'm striving to answer all of those comments. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.